Have you ever pondered the limitless potential of your mind, how it can shape your reality? We are about to embark on a journey, a voyage into the depths of the mind, where the power of manifestation and meditation reside. Manifestation, a term often tossed around in discussions about the mind and its capabilities, is the process of turning thoughts and desires into physical reality. It's the art of using your thoughts, your emotions, your very consciousness to shape the world around you. Imagine it as a painter, the mind, with its vast array of thoughts and emotions, being the colors, and reality being the canvas. But how, you might ask, is this possible? How can the intangible influence the tangible? This is where the magic of meditation comes into play. Meditation is not just a practice for monks in far-off lands. It's a tool, a key, if you will, that unlocks the door to your subconscious mind. Meditation is the quieting of the mind, the calming of the storm within, to allow for the clear and focused projection of your thoughts and desires. In this tranquil state, your mind is at its most powerful. It's a state where your thoughts, free of the usual clutter and chaos, can be precisely directed towards what you want to manifest. It's like a laser beam, focused and intense, capable of influencing your reality in ways you may not have thought possible. Manifestation and meditation together are a potent combination. They are the yin and the yang, the two sides of the same coin. One sets the intention and the other provides the means to realize it. So, let's dive in. Let's explore these fascinating concepts further and uncover how you can harness the power of your mind to manifest the life you've always desired. Remember, your mind is a powerful tool capable of shaping your reality. Our mind and body are intrinsically linked, a symbiotic relationship of energy and matter. A profound truth of existence is the interconnectedness of our mind and body. This bond forms an intimate dance of energy and matter, where each thought and emotion can shape our physical state, and in turn our physical state can influence our mental and emotional well-being. Imagine for a moment that your mind is a masterful painter and your body is the canvas. Each stroke of thought and emotion colors the canvas, leaving an indelible mark. This is not a metaphorical concept, but a physiological reality. Scientific research has shown that stress, anxiety, and negative emotions can manifest as physical ailments, from headaches to heart disease. Conversely, our physical state can also influence our mind. Consider how a simple smile can uplift your mood, or how a healthy, well-rested body can foster a clear and focused mind. This is because our body can send powerful signals to our brain, influencing our thoughts and emotions. Understanding this mind-body connection is crucial when it comes to manifesting your dreams. You see, our thoughts and emotions are energy vibrations that we send out into the universe. And like a radio, the universe tunes into our frequency and responds in kind. So, if we are constantly thinking negative thoughts and feeling stressed or anxious, we are essentially broadcasting a low-frequency signal, which the universe matches with similar low-frequency experiences. Yet, when we cultivate positive thoughts and emotions, we raise our vibration, broadcasting a high-frequency signal. This attracts high-frequency experiences, leading us closer to our dreams. This is where the power of the mind-body connection truly shines. By maintaining a healthy body and cultivating a positive mindset, we create a powerful, high-vibrational energy field that serves as a magnet for our desires. This is not a one-time process. It requires consistency, patience, and practice. When the mind and body are in harmony, we create a conducive environment for manifestation. So let's nourish our body, nurture our mind, and allow the magic of manifestation to unfold. Scene script. Manifestation isn't magic, it's a process. A journey of self-discovery and transformation. Indeed, manifestation is a journey that begins with setting clear intentions. It's not enough to vaguely want something. You have to know exactly what it is you're seeking. You have to be able to describe it, feel it, and live it in your mind. It's about painting a vivid picture of your desired outcome in the theater of your imagination. This is the first step. Next, we move to visualizing the desired outcome. This is where the real magic begins. In the realm of your thoughts and emotions, you start living the life you desire. You walk the walk, you talk the talk, and you feel the feelings associated with your desired outcome. You embrace it as if it's already a part of your reality. This isn't make-believe, it's a powerful mental rehearsal that primes your mind and body to align with your intentions. Now we come to the third step, cultivating positive emotions. It's not enough to just think about your desired outcome, you have to feel it. The emotions you associate with your intention can be incredibly powerful. Love, joy, gratitude, excitement, these are all high-vibration emotions that amplify your manifestation efforts. They create a magnetic field around you that attracts experiences and relationships that match your intentions. But here's the catch. Manifestation is not a one-time event. It's not about ticking a box and moving on. It's a continuous process of refining your thoughts, aligning your emotions, and staying open to the possibilities. It's about maintaining a high vibrational state that allows you to attract and manifest your desires effortlessly. So, remember, the process of manifestation is not about grasping at straws or wishful thinking. It's a deliberate, intentional practice that calls for clarity, visualization, and emotional engagement. Manifestation is an ongoing journey, not a destination. It's an exciting, transformative journey that can lead you to live a life of abundance, peace, and fulfillment. Meditation is the bridge that connects our conscious and subconscious mind. In the grand scheme of manifestation, meditation plays a pivotal role. It's the key that unlocks the door to our inner world, where thoughts and dreams transform into reality. You see, our minds are like perpetually churning oceans, filled with thoughts, emotions, and experiences. This constant mental noise can be a significant roadblock when we're trying to manifest our desires. It's during these times meditation comes to the rescue. It calms the turbulent waters of our minds, allowing our dreams to surface from the depths of our subconscious. By quieting the mind, meditation helps us to focus our thoughts. This focus is not a laser beam concentration on a single point, but rather an expansive awareness where we observe our thoughts without judgment. This non-judgmental observation creates a space for our desires to rise to the forefront of our consciousness. As we meditate, we begin to hone in on the essence of our desires. We start to feel the emotions associated with our dreams, be it joy, love, or peace. This emotional resonance is crucial in manifestation. It's through these emotions that we raise our vibrational frequency, aligning ourselves with the energy of our desires. But meditation is more than just a tool for focus and emotional resonance. It's a pathway to the subconscious mind, the seat of our limitless power. The subconscious mind is like a fertile field ready to grow whatever seeds we plant. When we meditate, we plant the seeds of our desires into this fertile ground. Over time, with regular meditation, these seeds sprout, grow, and eventually bear the fruit of our desires. In essence, meditation is manifestation in action. It's through this practice that we shape our reality, aligning our thoughts, emotions, and energy with the universe's abundant flow. It's a journey inward that results in outward changes, reflecting our inner transformation in the world around us. Through meditation, we can tap into the limitless power of our subconscious mind. And in doing so, we lay the groundwork for manifesting a life of peace, abundance, and fulfillment. Now, how can you harness the power of your mind to manifest your desires? Well, let's dive right into it. The practicality of manifestation through meditation lies in its simplicity. So let me guide you through some simple yet powerful steps to start your journey. First and foremost, find a quiet place where you won't be disturbed. Comfort is key in meditation, so ensure you're in a place where you can relax undisturbed for at least 20 minutes. Begin with a simple mindfulness exercise. Close your eyes. Take a deep breath in, hold it for a moment, then breathe out slowly. Repeat this a few times, focusing on the sensation of the air entering and leaving your body. This helps ground your mind and prepares it for the journey ahead. With your mind calm and your body relaxed, it's time to move on to the next step, visualization. This is where the true power of manifestation comes into play. Picture in your mind's eye as clearly as you can what you desire to manifest. It could be a new job, a loving relationship, or simply a sense of peace and happiness. It's crucial to see it in as much detail as possible. What does it look like? How does it feel? What emotions does it stir within you? Now, while keeping this image in your mind, Allow yourself to truly feel as though you've already achieved it. This is the key. You're not longing for it. You're not hoping for it. You are living it. Right here, right now. This feeling, this belief sends a powerful message to the universe. Next, we move on to guided meditations. These are particularly useful for beginners as they provide clear instructions and help maintain focus. There are many guided meditations available online, specifically designed to aid in manifestation. They can be a great tool to use in your journey. Lastly, and possibly most importantly, is consistency. Like any skill, mastering manifestation through meditation takes practice. Be patient with yourself. It's not a race, it's a journey. It's also essential to approach each meditation session without attachment to the outcome. Manifestation isn't about forcing the universe to give you what you want. It's about aligning yourself with the energy of what you desire and allowing it to come to you in its own time. Remember, the universe responds to energy. The more positive and high vibrational energy you put out, the more you will attract the same in return. So, maintain a positive outlook, practice gratitude, and keep your vibrations high. With practice and consistency, you can master the art of manifesting through meditation. Embarking on this journey of manifestation and meditation isn't always easy, but it's worth it. As we step into this realm of boundless possibilities, it's essential to remember that every journey has its fair share of challenges. But, my dear friends, these are not roadblocks, rather stepping stones to success. You may find yourself wrestling with doubts or battling impatience. It's natural, it's human. You might feel like you're drifting in a sea of uncertainty, or maybe you're struggling to quiet the cacophony within your mind during meditation. Remember, it's all part of the process. The first challenge you might face is skepticism. The power of manifestation and meditation might seem abstract and unattainable, but let me assure you, it's as real as the air we breathe. The key to overcoming skepticism is knowledge. Read, research, understand the science behind it, and soon, skepticism will transform into belief. The second challenge might be impatience. We live in a world that thrives on instant gratification, but manifestation is like a seed. It requires time, patience, and nurturing to bloom into existence. When impatience creeps in, remind yourself of the beautiful garden you're growing within your soul. The third challenge could be consistency. Some days you might feel too tired, too overwhelmed, or simply not in the mood. It's on these days that your commitment is tested. Remember, consistency is the golden thread that weaves success. Even if it's just a few minutes, make sure to dedicate some time each day to your meditation practice. It's okay to falter, it's okay to stumble. What matters is that you get up, dust off, and continue with renewed vigor. Stay committed to your journey, be patient with yourself. Allow the process to unfold naturally, and soon you'll see the seeds of your dreams sprouting into reality. And finally, remember to celebrate each small win. Every step you take is a step closer to your dreams. Celebrate your progress, no matter how small it seems. Remember, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. Manifestation and meditation are powerful tools to shape your reality. We've unraveled the mysteries of manifestation and meditation together in this journey, exploring their profound ability to shape our lives. We've seen how our thoughts and emotions are not just fleeting experiences, but potent forces capable of shaping our reality. When harnessed correctly, they can lead us to a life of abundance, happiness, and peace. The power of manifestation lies in our ability to focus our intentions and desires, to vividly picture our dreams and aspirations. It's about believing in the reality of our visions and allowing them to guide our actions and decisions. On the other hand, meditation serves as the perfect companion to manifestation. It is the calm in the storm, the silence in the chaos. It allows us to quiet the mind, to tune out the distractions, and to tune into our inner selves. Meditation brings us into the present moment and helps us to focus our energies on what truly matters. We've also shared practical steps to harness the power of manifestation through meditation, from setting clear intentions to practicing mindfulness and visualization to fostering an attitude of gratitude. These techniques, when practiced consistently, can help us to raise our vibrations and to align ourselves with the universe. And remember, the journey of manifestation and meditation is a personal one. It is a journey of self-discovery, of understanding our deepest desires, and of aligning ourselves with our true purpose. It is a journey that demands patience, persistence, and faith. As we draw this discourse to a close, let's carry forward the wisdom and insights gained. Let's remember that the power to shape our lives lies within us. It lies in our thoughts, our emotions, and our actions. It lies in our ability to dream, to believe, and to manifest. Embrace the power of your mind, start manifesting your desires, and lead a more peaceful and abundant life.